In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace front fender liners on a Ford Transit Connect. These are located behind the front wheels. Let's get started. With the vehicle raised and supported, we're going to locate our hubcap and wheel. Remove the hubcap by just pulling it off and set it aside. We're going to locate 5 19mm lug nuts, holding the wheel down. Remove these as well. If they are stuck, just re-thread them on and work your tool free. Remove the wheel and set it aside. With our wheel removed, we're going to move on to the front portion of the fender liner by the bumper and locate 3 pushpin clips. I'll be removing these using a trim tool. Now we're going to remove 4 T30 Torx screws. Now I'll be using a T30 Torx bit to remove these. On the top of the fender, we're going to locate another pushpin clip. Remove it as well. On the back edge of the fender liner, there's 3 more pushpin clips. Remove these as well. We're also going to locate 2 T30 Torx screws. We're going to move back under the bumper and on the fender liner and remove these 2 T30 Torx screws. If your splash shield is present, now it's time to remove this other T30 screw. As you can see, our splash shield and screw is missing. So we're going to move on to removing the whole fender liner from the vehicle. I'm going to pull the fender liner out of both sides, from the top as well. And there it is. Let's install our fender liner. Gonna put it over and in place. We're gonna line up and install our 3 pushpin clips. We're also going to reinstall 2 T30 screws along the back side. Just snug these down. We're also going to move up to the upper portion of the fender and reinstall our pushpin clip. We're also going to reinstall our T30 screws along the front side of the fender liner. Starting with these ones on the sides. Just snug these down. And these 2 on the front. And also our 3 pushpin clips. We're going to move back to under the bumper and reinstall our 2 Torx screws. We're going to reinstall our wheel. Now make sure it's flush and hand thread on your fasteners. Snug these down in an alternating pattern. With our vehicle on the ground, we're going to torque our 5 fasteners to 100 foot-pounds in an alternating pattern. We're going to reinstall our hubcap. Align the cutout on the hubcap with the valve stem on the rim. Once they're aligned, push down on all sides. Ensure it's flush.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.